The vast expanse of space, a canvas of darkness sprinkled with distant stars. For centuries, humanity gazed upon this celestial tapestry with a mixture of awe and longing. The moon, our celestial neighbor, held a particular fascination. Its silvery glow illuminated our night, sparking countless myths and dreams. Could we, one day, reach out and touch its surface? The Apollo program emerged during a period of intense political rivalry. The Cold War cast a long shadow, pitting the United States against the Soviet Union in a battle for global dominance. Space exploration became a key arena in this contest, a symbol of technological prowess and national pride. When the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, in 1957, it sent shockwaves through the United States. The event ignited a sense of urgency, a need to not only catch up, but to surpass the Soviets in the space race. President John F. Kennedy galvanized the nation with a bold vision to land a man on the moon before the end of the decade. The seeds of the Apollo program were sown in the ashes of World War II. The Cold War, a geopolitical chess match, defined the 20th century. Space exploration emerged as a symbol of national prestige. Sputnik 1's launch in 1957 sent shockwaves through America. The Apollo program became America's ambition to lead in space exploration. At the helm of the Apollo program stood visionary leaders with scientific acumen and unwavering determination. President John F. Kennedy's ambitious vision provided the initial impetus for the lunar landing goal. In 1961, Kennedy challenged the nation to land a man on the moon before the decade's end. Wernher von Braun, a German-born rocket scientist, played a pivotal role in the Apollo program. As the chief architect of the Saturn V rocket, von Braun's contributions were instrumental. The tireless efforts of NASA's team transformed the dream of reaching the moon into reality. The Apollo program was more than just a scientific endeavor. It was a national undertaking of unprecedented scale and complexity. A vast network of individuals and institutions dedicated themselves to the singular goal of putting a man on the moon. The program's impact extended far beyond science and technology, becoming a unifying force and a shared national goal. Millions around the world were captivated by the drama and excitement of each mission, marking a golden age for space exploration. The pursuit of knowledge and the spirit of exploration defined the Apollo era. Before a human could journey to the moon, unmanned missions were crucial. These robotic pioneers tested space travel and gathered vital data. The Apollo program relied on these missions, inching closer to the goal. The Ranger program aimed to capture close-up images of the lunar surface. Surveyor missions achieved soft landings and analyzed lunar soil. The journey to the moon was not without its setbacks. In 1967, tragedy struck the Apollo program during a routine pre-launch test for Apollo 1. A fire erupted inside the command module, claiming the lives of astronauts Gus Grissom, Ed White, and Roger Chaffee. This devastating event sent shockwaves through NASA and the nation. The Apollo 1 fire served as a stark reminder of the inherent risks involved in space exploration. It forced NASA to re-evaluate its safety procedures and implement significant design changes to the Apollo spacecraft. Following an extensive period of investigation and redesign, Apollo 7 marked the program's return to flight in 1968. Apollo 7's successful 11-day mission in Earth orbit was a crucial step forward. demonstrating the functionality of the redesigned spacecraft and restoring confidence in NASA's ability to continue the journey to the Moon. With the success of Apollo 7, the program gained momentum, each mission venturing closer to the Moon. Apollo 8, in December 1968, orbited the Moon, captivating the world. Astronauts orbited 10 times, capturing iconic images. Apollo 10, in May 1969, rehearsed the Moon landing. The stage was set for humanity's first steps on another celestial body. July 16, 1969, dawned bright and clear over Cape Kennedy, Florida. Millions around the world had their eyes glued to television screens. At Launch Complex 39A, a towering Saturn V rocket stood bathed in the warm Florida sun. Atop this mighty machine, nestled within the Apollo 11 command module, sat 3 astronauts. At 9:32 a.m., the engines of the Saturn V roared to life. The mighty rocket slowly lifted off the launch pad, carrying the hopes and dreams of a planet. After a 3-day journey across the vast expanse of space, the Apollo 11 crew entered lunar orbit. Armstrong and Aldrin boarded the lunar module, christened Eagle, and began their descent towards the Moon's surface, leaving Collins behind in lunar orbit aboard the command module, Columbia. The descent was fraught with tension. As the Eagle approached the lunar surface, alarms sounded in the cramped cockpit, warning of computer overloads. Armstrong, with nerves of steel, calmly took manual control of the lunar module, navigating through a treacherous field of boulders and craters. With fuel running low, Armstrong guided the Eagle to a smooth landing in an area called the Sea of Tranquility. "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." Armstrong's voice crackled over the radio. It was 4:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on July 20th, 1969. Humanity had landed on the Moon. After several hours of preparations, Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the Moon. A hush fell over mission control as his image flickered onto screens worldwide. He uttered, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Aldrin soon joined Armstrong on the lunar surface. They explored, planted the American flag, and conducted experiments. They left a plaque that read, "We came in peace for all mankind." The world watched in awe as they bounced across the lunar surface. The Apollo missions pushed the boundaries of engineering and technology, presenting unprecedented challenges. Every stage demanded innovative solutions and meticulous attention to detail. The Saturn V rocket, taller than the Statue of Liberty, was an engineering marvel. It generated 7.5 million pounds of thrust, propelling the Apollo spacecraft into space. Designing it required groundbreaking advancements in materials science and propulsion systems. The Apollo spacecraft was a masterpiece of miniaturization and functionality. While technological marvels were essential, the success of the Apollo missions ultimately rested on the shoulders of the astronauts. These individuals, carefully selected for their skill, courage, and resilience, faced the ultimate test of human endurance. They trained relentlessly, spending countless hours in simulators, undergoing grueling physical conditioning, and mastering the intricacies of spacecraft operation. The risks were ever present. A single malfunction, a miscalculation, or an unforeseen event could spell disaster. The astronauts understood these risks, accepting them as part of their mission. They knew that their journey into the unknown was not only a test of technology, but also a testament to the human spirit. Beyond the physical challenges, the astronauts faced psychological pressures unlike anything experienced on Earth. The Apollo missions left an indelible mark on human history, not only for landing on the Moon, but also for their transformative impact on science and technology. The knowledge gained revolutionized our understanding of the Moon's origins and geological history. The scientific instruments provided valuable data about the Moon's environment. The Apollo program spurred technological innovation with far-reaching consequences. Many innovations found their way into everyday life, transforming industries. The images of humans walking on the Moon captivated the world, igniting imaginations and fostering a sense of wonder about our place in the cosmos. Beyond the technological marvels and scientific discoveries, the Apollo missions gifted humanity a new perspective. The iconic Earthrise photograph, captured by the Apollo 8 crew, symbolized our planet's fragility and interconnectedness. This coincided with a growing awareness of environmental issues like pollution and resource depletion. The Apollo program helped ignite the modern environmental movement, highlighting Earth's vulnerability and fostering global citizenship. Today, as we face global challenges, the Earthrise image reminds us to work together to protect our planet for future generations. The Apollo missions continue to captivate and inspire generations. The audacity of the goal, the technological brilliance, and the courage of the astronauts resonate deeply. Apollo is a testament to human ambition, ingenuity, and collaboration. Its legacy extends far beyond space exploration. It ignited passions for STEM, inspiring countless careers. Apollo set new benchmarks for innovation, shaping our world today. Museums preserve the memory of those historic journeys. Stories of Armstrong, Aldrin, and others ensure the spirit of Apollo lives on. Apollo stands as a reminder of humanity's extraordinary achievements. The lessons from Apollo guide us as we explore new frontiers. The Apollo missions stand as a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration within humanity. They represent a pivotal chapter in our story, daring to reach beyond our world. Images of astronauts on the Moon are now etched into human history. The Apollo program showcased the best of humanity. It was a triumph of ingenuity, demanding groundbreaking advancements. A testament to collaboration, uniting individuals across disciplines and nations. And a display of unwavering courage, venturing into the unknown. The legacy of Apollo extends far beyond the lunar surface. It inspired generations to dream big and pursue STEM careers, spurring technological innovations that shape our world today, and fostering a new awareness of our planet's fragility. The Apollo missions remind us that humanity can achieve extraordinary things. They stand as a beacon of hope, driven by curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Though the Apollo program concluded in 1972, its impact continues to resonate today. It laid the foundation for future space exploration, paving the way for the International Space Station and the Hubble Space Telescope. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new era of space exploration. Private companies are joining government agencies in the quest to explore the cosmos. We are returning to the Moon with plans to establish a sustained presence and setting our sights on Mars. The spirit of Apollo, with its innovation and determination, will continue to guide us. The journey that began with Apollo is far from over and continues to inspire us.